Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now, if you are new to my channel, welcome. How are you? I hope you stay. If you are returning, then you know previously I was doing this with BoxyCharm, and at the end of it I would do a 5-day wear test. I'm no longer doing that. Instead, I'm going to try to use up the products. I don't use, I will either give to a friend or stick it into a giveaway. Otherwise, the products that I do use up, I will be now showing you in an empties and purges video. I'm going to try to do them every other month or every 3 months, depending on how quickly I use up products. So that way I can give you a really more of a full view and feel of the products that I keep and don't keep and why. So let's go ahead and get into this box. So this, you open it up. That's what it looks like on the inside. And of course we have the monthly card with, oh, well, this is interesting. I was thinking it was going to be a list of what all is in here, and it's not. So, okay, yeah, I don't have any other feelings about that. So we're going to go ahead and move on and look at what is in the box. First thing we have is my add-on, because I had to have an add-on. So this is the face masks that were optional whenever they have face masks as an add-on. I almost always add them because I go through them super quick. I use them all the time. So yes, I went ahead and added that on. And then this was my item that I selected. This is the Mud Masky. This is an after mask vitamin serum. And I picked this because of the fact that like mud masks usually aren't the greatest on my skin. My skin is very dry and sensitive, and sometimes they burn, which means it's not good for my skin. So I was thinking I would give this a try and see if it makes the mud masks more tolerable and not leave my face red for a day or two. So that is what that is for. Then they sent me this Wonder Beauty Clear Eyebrow Gel. I am not going to keep that. That is going to go straight into my summer giveaway. If you're waiting around wondering when that's happening, that is happening in June, which is next month. So as that gets closer, you'll see more details and all that go up. All right, the next thing we got here is the Sugar Rush Tarte. This is a velvet liquid lipstick. Okay, I think that packaging is cute. Really don't know much about this, so let's go ahead and see. This is in the color Cupcake. It looks like outside of it. Okay, so this screws off. Oh, okay. And let's go ahead and, okay, right off the bat, it is super creamy, and I'll show you that. I don't have any feelings about that right now, but it does feel really creamy. It does feel really good. Feels really good as I blended it out. So yeah, that'll be a nice addition to my collection. Alright, so the next item we have is this Galactic Skin Glow Duo. Now, I had an older version of this and I loved it, but I ended up giving it away because I wasn't using it up. I'm going to give it a go again because I did really like it. I almost was sad that I gave it away. So, yep, there's that. And this is Skin Glow Moonlight. Let's go ahead and swatch those. Okay, do you see that? Look at that shine. I am loving that. Okay, so that is it on there. The next item we have, and last one, is this palette from Colored Rain. And this is, which one? This is, I want to say, says a Vineyard Soiree eyeshadow palette. Okay, and it is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. So when I saw the picture online that I was getting this, I know I like always spoil everything for myself. I was thinking this was going to be a huge palette, so I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed it's this small. But it doesn't mean it ain't gonna be great. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. That is the inside. And now I'm gonna swatch. Okay, those are the colors swatched. I didn't have to dip in it but once to get it to look like that on my hand. I think those are really, really pretty. They swatched nicely. I don't really have any other thoughts on that right now. I'm definitely going to be playing with this over the next several months and see how I feel about it. Hopefully it'll stay in my collection. But yeah, so far, right now, I'm loving that. Look at that. Those colors picked up really nicely. Okay, so there was one last item in the box, and that, of course, is this month's bag. That is what that looks like. I actually kind of think this is cute, but I never keep them, but, you know, whatever. Alright, so that is it of my May Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know which item was your favorite. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.